guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the thumbnail, today's review slash tutorial is going to be on the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions. Look how pretty those colors are. So if you would like to achieve this look, don't hate, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so the first color that I'm going to use, and it's going to be like right underneath where you would put your highlighter color, it's going to be this matte pink right here. Is it pink? Like a lilac, I would say. Yeah, it's very pretty. And then the next color I'm going to use, it's this one right here. It's another matte color. It's like a lavender. I mean, this one is more on the pink side. This one's more the lavender color. But they're like almost the same. The next color, it's this one right here. Now this one is frosted. It's like a violet. And although it's frosted like a violet blue, it's beautiful. I hope that the camera is picking up its hues. And I only focused it like on half of the inner. I want it on the outer. I wanted to leave the inner matte. Right, so with this look, I did not cut the crease. But what I did do was I went and used, this is the darkest shade within the palette. It's also matte. And that's actually the color that I am going to use on the outer corner. Now, I started off with this brush just to define it. Oops. Then I went in with a bigger, fluffier brush and finished it. Alright, so next, on the inner corner, I went in with this color right here. It's frosted, but it's like a glitter color, I would say. Now, none of these colors, at least I didn't see it. If maybe I've overlooked it, please do leave a comment below. But on none of these palettes, I've noticed that there are names either on the palette or on the Sephora website. I'm not sure if maybe on the Huda Beauty palette, website, I'm not sure. But I didn't see any names. Well, you don't need any names anyway. I'm showing it to you, but I'm just saying. Now, I definitely went in a little bit too much with that purple, and you'll see what I mean. Next, I went with the color right above, which is another one. It's like a glitter color. This color is like so freaking pretty. I wish I would have foiled it from the beginning, but hey. It's like multi-dimensional. Alright, so the next color I chose, it's right next to it. It's this one right there. And when I applied it, like, it's like a grape purple. Honestly, I didn't feel that there was much of a distinction between this color and the outer color, or at least not much. So what I did was, once I realized that, I went in with the outer corner. I went and, oh, damn it. Oh, okay. I went in and I'm going to use black. You can use any old black. This was from the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. I was looking for a black color. I picked the first one that came out of my drawer. Just to deepen that purple. Alright, so as far as the look goes, this is it. So now I'm just gonna sharpen the edges, clean up any fallouts, eyeliner, mascara, and after these messages, we'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Let me tell you something. I really like this look. I enjoyed it, and let me tell, I'm not a purple girl. I really am not. But you know, like all of the other Huda Beauty collections, they have 9 colors. You have a mixture of your mattes, some glitters depending on the palette, and your frosted. I want to say that this palette, just like, what was the last one that I used? Oh my god, I forgot. I haven't uploaded the rubies, the ruby palette. This one and the rubies, so thus far, I find have been the most pigmented and the ones that are actually the easiest to apply. My favorite color, which is this one right here. Unfortunately, the only thing that it did disappoint me is just the opacity of it. So if you really want to get like its true hues, because it's like duochrome, you would have to foil it, and I tried that and it was absolutely phenomenal. I loved it. I love the pigmentation. It was really easy to blend, and the color it transcribed onto my eyelids exactly as it did in the pan, effortlessly. As always, palettes with mirrors always get a thumbs up. The price of it, I forgot. I'll put it down below. Like it's a little pricey for this small ass palette. If you have a lot of makeup, I'm almost positive, like me, that somewhere within your collection you have colors like this. If you don't and you really like this palette, keep it. Or if you want to have like this whole color spectrum all together like this, of course keep it. And if you're a makeup whore, keep it as well. But I definitely recommend it in terms of quality, not so much necessity. But yeah guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this review / tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notifications button. And as always, don't forget to unleash the makeup inside of you. Ciao.